A ribbon cutting for a new bank in the King-Lincoln Bronzeville community. Although it is a grand opening, the bank already has a rich history in Columbus. There are currently more than 4,600 insured financial institutions in the United States. As of December 31st, only 21 banks were listed by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation as owned and operated by Black or African Americans, a 43% decline since 2001. This is the original Adelphi Bank Loan and Savings Company, a Black-owned bank in the King-Lincoln Bronzeville neighborhood that is now renovated apartments. The Columbus Metropolitan Library archived this photo of the bank, turned into a funeral home nearly 50 years after it was constructed in 1921.
We're here to finish the mission. So we think they went out of business in the Great Depression.
The mission to make lending more equitable in the Black community. According to a study by LendingTree, Black homeowners are denied loans at twice the rate of the overall population, on average 18% of the time.
Our studies show that it's pre-application help. Someone wanting to buy a home, going in and being prepared, understanding what their credit score is, everything. Getting all that stuff fixed rather than just going in and getting denied.
Equitable lending starts with an equitable community. Franklin County Commissioner Kevin Boyce recalls cleaning pepper spray off his skin and out of his hair in the protests following George Floyd's death.
A business partner called me and he asked, why are we still going through this? A lot of it is rooted in racism and poverty and specifically the wealth gap. And I said, we need more financial institutions that cater towards building wealth for our residents. And he said, well, why don't you start a bank?
Boyce co-founded Adelphi. The new location steps away from its namesake, tapping Jordan Miller's experience at Huntington Bank and the CEO of Central Ohio Market for Fifth Third Bank before he retired.
Start of history or finishing of history, a continuing of history, but basically to serve our community and to serve the people that live here.
If someone doesn't live in this neighborhood, can they still bank with you?
Yes, absolutely. We'll have digital capability to expand, to grow, and to reach other people. We're getting calls from other cities and outside of the state, people that have projects that they want to do and they want to know if we can help them.
That's really taking this neighborhood and then expanding it, right?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, the banking needs of our community are great. It doesn't matter where you live. The story gets to be told by the people that receive the benefit. Provide wealth for their families, that they get that house, and grow their business to the dream that they thought it would be when they started it. Then that's when you know it's working.
Now, Franklin County Commissioner Kevin Boyce says they are receiving calls from across the country to see how this bank model would fit into other underserved communities. Governor Mike DeWine is scheduled to speak during the ribbon cutting ceremony this afternoon.